Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hey, I'm Scott.
Hi, I'm Skylar. And I'm Holden.
And we are
the Dean Team.
And today we are at Peppa Pig Theme Park. We're going to give you a full tour. What do you think? Are y'all ready for an adventure?
Let's go!
Here are the parking rates for Legoland and Peppa Pig Theme Park. When you enter, Legoland will be to the left and Peppa Pig is to the right. I can already hear the giggling of the piglets. We enter under the rainbow. Daddy Pig, Mommy Pig, everybody's here. We're gonna go through bag check first. Oh, they're on this side too. Do you still remember the Peppa Pig intro?
Yeah.
How does it go?
Here, we'll go back and forth.
Okay.
I'm Peppa Pig. Oh, wait.
Take three.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother, George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
The park is open from 10 to 5. There are all kinds of ticket packages, and it is definitely cheaper to book them online in advance. Welcome! What are we gonna do first?
Maze.
The maze?
Taller than the maze, but sure. Yeah, I'm taller than the maze now, so this might be easy.
Here are the prices for the single and double strollers, as well as the wheelchairs and the ECV with shade. This is what it's like to film on this channel. How cute is this? We're gonna head into Granny Pig's garden first. Hi, Granny Pig! Okay, time to do some gardening. Oh, that is adorable. You are definitely taller than the maze. Look at this. You made it. What's in the center? What is it? A frog? What's a top tip for parents, Scott?
Find the little shade you can.
And there are a couple of covers you can see that create slivers of shade. The playground is under one of those covers. This playground mostly in the sun, and you can crawl through these little rabbit holes. Hello, little rabbit.
I have no idea what this is. Rebecca Rabbit, how do you not know this stuff?
Holden's acting like he knows everything. It says Rebecca Rabbit right here.
Rabbit has
Oh!
a special playground made from burrows.
That's cool. Madame Gazelle has a nature trail over here. It does feel like you're in the middle of an episode. Like they're talking to you the whole time. The birds are chirping. The ambiance is there for sure. Where you at, Holden? Where'd you go? Oh my gosh.
It's shady in here.
Is it nice?
It's shady.
Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Find the shade and stay hydrated. The Mr. Potato. And the show times today are at 12, 2, and 3:30. Look at this. I mean, this is prime seating right here. Oh, there's a little duck pond over here. Hi, duckies.
It's the ducks. They always turn up when there's a picnic.
I want that right now.
You want to just be in the water splashing? Let's see. Whoop! You got a badonk. Look how big your head is. Hang on. Yeah, it is. In the fun fair area, we have a couple games. Here's Mr. Bull, and here's his high striker. Across from that, we have Peppa's balloon ride. Are you catching any ducks over here?
Yeah. If there's a duck that doesn't say hi.
I do love whenever you walk up, they talk to you. Like you activate a part of the story. We only see beanbags over here, but it looks like that should be a ring toss. But there was something here. And then there are the beanbags here to toss in. They are meeting and greeting right now. George is meeting over here. How fun. We are going to head on to Daddy Pig's roller coaster and hopefully catch a breeze. We get to go into their house. Here it goes. They're on an adventure. I love it. Their coats are hanging up. So cute. Hi, Daddy Pig. What does he say, Holden?
Have you seen my car keys? And if you look in the washing machine.
There are his car keys. Oh, that's silly.
So I'm just gonna wash my face real quick.
You're just gonna do a quick face wash. The shortcut is steep. Let's go, Daddy Pig. Woo! Next, we're gonna head into Mr. Fox's shop. Ooh, the AC will never get old. There's so much to see. How is there so much? Wow. That's definitely the most practical thing in here. Stay cool.
I'd want Dinosaur or Georgie with Dinosaur.
Oh, that is cute that he's holding them.
Or, you know, Peppa has Teddy. I want Mr. Potato.
He is cute. The best tip, head into the cinema. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Is there anybody in here? Oh,
Yeah, one family.
This is the place to be. This is so nice. Everyone's watching the movies. There's benches along the back that the grown-ups can sit. This area is specifically for the littles, which I think is great that they have that separate. Over here are some bikes for the ones who are still little, but a little bit bigger. Is this their car?
No.
What's on the inside? Uh-oh, Holden's driving.
Mom, their car is that.
Oh, of course.
This is,
Their camper, because it's got a sink. Oh yeah, very cool. I'm surprised your legs still fit on that, bud.
yeah, my legs hurt though.
They're burning?
Yeah.
You went under the mountain though? Very cool. You're not too big. You're still my little girl. Forever and ever. This whole area is covered. There are fans. It feels nice and cool right here. There's plenty of places to sit and eat. And we're gonna head into the restaurant. All right, let's take a look at the menu. Little piggy entrees, grown-up entrees. There's some sides. I think we might be getting one of these today. We'll see. The Muddy Puddle milkshake is $16.69. Maybe not. Maybe we'll get a mud cup. I don't know. Cold drinks, hot drinks.
This is nostalgia.
This is like you are in a legit diner,
From the 80s.
looking out the window. This is so cool. This is earlier than the 80s. Thank you very much.
70s?
50s.
Oh.
Yeah. They're rocking out over here. There's plenty of seating in here, booths, tables. And you order right at the counter. Here are all the drink options. We've been sticking with Powerade. I've only seen a few episodes of Peppa Pig, but I feel like this has to be the best character, right?
Big drum roll, please. Oh, this looks so good.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is beautiful. I will say right now, it's got the cup that comes with it. This is a well done milkshake. Now, we'll see how it tastes.
Good.
Lots of whipped cream. How is the actual milkshake?
Whipped cream right now.
Okay.
Well, it might have.
They also put chocolate on the inside, so
they drizzled
it's super
the
chocolatey.
Hershey syrup in there. It is very good. I think it's got to like mix around or something.
Gotcha.
The straw
You need to
might,
put- yeah.
The straw might not be the best method.
If you like
It went,
spoon
like,
it.
through the whipped cream and everything. It is good.
Comes with a cookie. This is a decent chocolate chip cookie. It's not like a Chips Ahoy. It tastes like a good, chewy, soft cookie. The milkshake is delicious. It tastes almost like a Wendy's Frosty, and I mean that in the best way possible. That's the consistency of it. It's really good.
I mean, it's $17, but it's worth the money.
Up next, Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure. Would we call this shade? This is kind of shaded.
I think the design fail was they were trying to make it rustic looking with the holes in the roof, but no, it's rustic shade now.
Help George find the dinosaurs. I'm riding one, so I know where it is. Ready to ride. They do have where your child can sit with you right here, which is so nice. So if you've got a little one, you can ride with them. Well, hey there. Ooh, we're going under the mountain. I see the dinosaurs. I found them. Ooh, he's growling. Yeah. I'm high-fiving you. There's a volcano. You're doing good, bud. You're doing good. This ride just makes you smile. It's so cute.
My dinosaur just roared.
This is Glenn. He's my new best friend. What are you doing over there already? Aww. Hey, buddy. Grandad Dog's Pirate Boat Ride. Anyone can ride it. You can ride it by yourself if you're 44 inches. She talked me into it. She said, let's do it. Are you falling asleep?
Huh? Where am I? Oh, right, Peppa Pig.
Are you the captain or am I the captain?
I'm the captain. There's a big lever, and you know me, I like to pull buttons or push buttons, but I can't touch the lever, I guess. It doesn't do anything.
Anchors away.
Am I gonna get wet? Please tell me what.
There's Holden over there. Ooh, there's treasure.
Arr!
I need a splash zone. I want water flying at you.
I'm about to man overboard, you know, just.
We just want to get wet. We want to go in the water. I want to go in there.
You're meant to be standing still.
Oh, yes. Oh, good. I can do that.
Okay, so let's play this one last time to see if we can catch anyone else out. But this time I've got Peppa helping me, so you all have to be extra still. And freeze. Oh, do you see anyone, Peppa?
I'm looking very, very hard, Charlie. But they're all so good.
There's also Dippin' Dots over here. You can get sodas and chips and a couple other snacks. There are plenty of places to sit down. As you can see, I'm glistening like a Peppa Pig right now. The show was very cute though, and there is shade. You could kind of see the line of the sun in between it, so you saw people making sure that they were catching those spots in the shade. They were playing freeze dance. They were singing, dancing around. All the kids were absolutely loving it, so that is very cute. Here's the Pirate Island sand play area. Right next door is Muddy Puddle Splash Pad. It looks like you're taking a shower over here.
This is just where I'm chilling.
Those can move around, right? You told me that last time we were here. There are changing rooms over here for you. No restrooms in the water play area, but they're right across the way. It is so nice that for the grown-ups, there are several Adirondack chairs in the shade. So if you can snag one of these, you can just watch your kids play, sip on your Powerade, and enjoy your day.
We've got some tall sprinklers over here with some restroom signs. So tall sprinklers. We've got some cool interactive water play stuff over here, including whatever that is. Another very tall sprinkler, gonna go through that. Normal size sprinklers for the little ones. I cannot count how many little ones I have seen playing in these. We've got characters all throughout, apple trees. To our left is the big thing, but we're gonna stay off of that for now and just do the little water play. Another one of the small sprinklers. Again, I cannot count how many little kids I have seen on these. They enjoy these so much, and honestly, so do I. It's a guilty pleasure. Now, I love this thing. It's a quick way to get your body fully submerged, kind of, in the water. Like, it's a good way to get your body fully wet before you go, and the water is also not too cold here. And then one of my favorite things are these water sprayers that you can like turn. I love trying to hit Holden with it. But they spray out water nice and good. It's almost like a shower. And again, the water feels so good. Oh, hi, Holden. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Oh yeah, I got you. Oh my gosh. I like this. It's like a shower. Ow. Oh, that's cool. So you can like dunk on people. Oh, I love that. Okay, and we're just gonna keep going. Oh, another one of these little sprayers. We've got sprayers coming from inside. So it's going in. Oh, and then you can stop it with the foam and start it with the foam. That is, oh, so cool. Do I just drop it in? No. We're back with Holden. We're at the Peppa Pig splash area, the smallest water slide. Alright, let's go. Middle slide. That's where we're almost on. This is
There's a wishing well over here, and it's talking about the donations for Merlin's Magic Wand, an international charity that provides magical experiences for children who need it most. One of my favorite things about Peppa Pig Theme Park is they have in the restrooms the regular toilets, teeny toilets, and teeny tiny toilets. So there's a size for everybody in your family, which is very sweet. Thank you so much for coming along with us to Peppa Pig Theme Park at Legoland, Florida. We spent 2 hours here today. We did not anticipate spending as long as we did, but the kids really enjoyed it. This park is definitely geared towards those toddlers, you know, younger elementary school kids. Our kids definitely grew up knowing about Peppa Pig and watching this. We haven't been to this park since it opened. We were here in 2021. That was the last time we were here. And it was so nice to revisit it. They have kept the park up very well in the last few years. Daddy Pig's roller coaster, super cute. They love the water play area. It's great to have that to splash around. They do try to create as much shade as possible, but you're gonna wanna just keep applying that sunscreen, stay hydrated, and duck into the theater. If all else fails, just go watch some Peppa Pig in the AC. There's nothing better. If you're coming here just for Peppa Pig, be aware that it is not an all-day park. Most people are coming here and bundling it with their Legoland tickets, but it is a great way to spend a half a day. And I recommend getting them a Muddy Puddle milkshake because those were delicious. We have a whole playlist on our channel with all of our Legoland videos, including Peppa Pig Theme Park. So I'll put a link to that in the description. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you so much for coming along with us, and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And as always,
Keep adventuring.